Hello, today we're doing a quick video on how to remove the stereo trim from around a 2017 Buick Verano. I just look for the best lip I can find, whether it be inside the vent, trying to break the vent, or right here. Get your fingers in there, maybe a little hook tool up top here. I was able to get my fingers around the back side here. Start loosening it up, just gently pulling. Sometimes I do a little wiggle. Just like so. Pull the bottom piece out. I need both my hands. I'm going to see if I can pop this thing out and get it the rest of the way off. Okay, so yeah, you just have to get my fingers in there and get a pull. And we can get that out. You can turn it sideways to get it back through the hole when you pull this off. I need both hands to be able to look. I don't want to break anything, and you see there's a couple screws. There's one right there. It's holding this sucker on. So once I pull those, come on. Takes the Torx bit. Can't tell you what size that is. I don't have it memorized. Anyway, now you can see. Again, I should probably be doing this with two hands because this is not my car. But what the heck? We'll just do it anyway. There you have it. There's the little bolts for the climate controls and the stereo. Put it back on. And feed this through. Snap it into place. Give it an old thump. Anyway, I'm gonna put my screws back in here, and we'll be done. Hit the thumbs up if I helped you out. Thanks a lot.